Hi there, this is Jessica with My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. Today I am going to assist you and teach you how to put a zipper in with the Serger. We will be working on the Triumph today, so here we go. I have a sandwich made already. That's 2 pieces of fabric, and I did decorative stitching with the cover stitch. And then I have my zipper already picked out. If you'll notice, I have it marked on both sides so that I know my placement for when I start sewing. I am using the P5 foot, the cording foot. I'm just following along the edge of my fabric, and it is okay if you're cutting off a little bit of the zipper and it's fitting nicely just in that groove of the foot. And then you can flip it over and see that I serged the zipper in. I will show you how to also do the other side. And it is okay to have the zipper on the bottom end of the serger. You just don't want to make sure that you're missing both the stopper and then also, of course, the zipper hole. And of course, you can also take your sides and sew those shut as well. And what I like to do is offset it so that you actually have a topper. You can even put a pole of ribbon or something that you've made with fabric. But again, turn your zipper over, top stitch it down, or use the chain and cover to stitch down the remainder of it so that it lays down nicely.